Alright, Asher here with Custom Paintball Markers. This video is to show you how to get the hose fitting assembly right here out so you can replace it with your new one. I have a hammer and a somewhat skinny screwdriver, which you might need. We're going to go ahead and take off the stock first. The reason why I use a screwdriver is because this is easier than just trying to pull it out. This is my air through paintball marker, which might be different than your Scar or what other marker you're using. I'm going to take off the grip too, just like that, the pistol grip. Okay. Now that we have those off, you're going to want to get a flathead screwdriver like this. And you're going to pull this out, which will release this inside part, and you can just pull this out. Let me pull the whole thing out to show you. That's the part that it sits in right there, the hose. But you don't need to pull out the whole assembly. You just want to make sure that you have this part showing so you can pull it out, put the new one in, like so. Hold on. There we go. And then you're going to push the back through, and you're going to fit that safety back in. Just like so. So this is, you push it through after it's in, because the only way you're going to get it in right here is in this big spot. You can't get it in there. That's why it sits safely there. You'll make sure your hose is attached, and you'll make sure this is tight. If it's not tight enough, you will have some air leakage coming out of this. We're going to go ahead and this part back together. And just push it down. Push that down. I have these rubber pieces in here, which makes it tighter. If you have that, you might need to use a hammer to push the remaining parts through. The shorter one always goes on the top pieces, and the longer one goes on the bottom. And that's how to change it. Just make sure that's tight. Be careful, because this piece can snap off in here. Sometimes it happens during shipping, like with the package that I sent recently, and other times it can just happen if you bump it. There is a metal version of this that you can buy. I haven't tried them, but I should invest in them. But that's how to do it. Thanks for watching.